Hello everyone and welcome to Prep Cook Live. This is Mayuri Mudliar and today we're going to make this very delicious moong dal jaggery kheer, which is a South Indian dessert with a lot of ghee, dry fruits, dal and jaggery that we will be using for this recipe, which tastes absolutely delicious. You can serve this hot or chilled as per you like, but it's best when it's served hot. So let's begin. I'm heating 1 tablespoon of clarified butter or ghee. So first we're going to roast couple of things in this ghee and then we will keep it aside and then prepare our kheer. The ghee has become hot. I'm adding 8 to 10 cashews. Now I've broken this in pieces. It's up to you. You can add whole cashews as well. I'm just going to roast it a little bit till the color changes and becomes golden. Like you can see, this is nice and golden. I'm going to take it out in a different plate. Now we're going to put in this fresh coconut pieces. This is optional but gives a really good taste, so try and put this. We'll just saute this for about a minute and take it out in a plate. You don't have to brown them, just a little translucent, and we can take this out in the plate now. Now we're going to roast raisins. So I'm going to add these raisins to the ghee. When you have to take this out in a plate is when it becomes a little puffy and starts changing color. We will take it out in a plate along with the leftover ghee. You have to take out the leftover ghee as well. And to the same kadhai now I am adding 1 cup of water and 1 cup of jaggery. Now jaggery you can add in as per the sweetness you need for this recipe. Because we're not adding any sugar, so jaggery is the sweetness that we're going to add. Mix this and allow this to boil after melting for a couple of minutes till it thickens a little bit. You just have to thicken it a little bit, don't thicken it too much. Now this is cooked moong dal that we are going to add in. Let me show you what moong dal is. This is moong dal. This is a split dal that we will be using for this recipe. You can soak it for half an hour and then in the cooker for 4 whistles you have to cook this until it becomes completely mushy, like it gets cooked to this level. Okay, it has to be completely cooked like you can see here. I'm going to add this to the jaggery water. And we have to mix all of this well till the dal and the jaggery water combines, and simmer this on low flame for about 5 minutes. To this I'm also adding half teaspoon of cardamom powder for flavor. Some people also add in coconut milk, about 2 to 3 spoons to this recipe. You can also go ahead and do that. So now this is completely cooked. I am adding roasted coconut, cashews, raisins and the ghee that we kept aside. I'm not adding the complete one because I'm going to add it on top. You can add completely or you can also add in half and then you can add in on top for garnishing. So this is completely ready. Hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also comment in the section below. See you until next time in the kitchen of Prep Cook Live. Hope you enjoy this recipe like all other South Indian recipes that I have posted.